Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ace. In this one, we have another fun creative photography video for you. We are going to be using another frame, and we're going to be using the glass from that frame, adding some stickers on it to get some really cool images like this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the video started. So first things first, I went ahead and got some stickers. Now it was really important to actually get stickers that had somewhat of a reflective surface, because I think that really did add to the image and make it a little bit better. So keep that in mind when you are going out and looking for stickers. So for the occasion, since we're around the corner from Valentine's Day, I picked up these hearts that have a little bit of red glitter to them to give us this look. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, simply just had the model hold the glass in front of her, and I moved the camera around just to get some different reflections and different angles. And guys, that is going to wrap up this creative photography video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, or even just got those creative juices flowing for how you can add something like this to your own workflow and get some really cool images as well. Now, as always, thanks for watching, guys. And if you're not already subscribed, consider doing so, as we have fresh content coming out for you every single week. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help our channel continue to grow. And with that said, I will see you all in the next one.